says to the Allen boys with a Z.
I know, but I didn't know.
Aaron, back up before your brother cuts you.
What makes you think I'm gonna cut you?
Because I don't know.
Because I don't trust you. You don't trust me with scissors. Before, the whole blackout thing, my mom just had to help me open this because I'm not very good with opening packages. Alright, without further ado, we'll open it. With my strength.
The Incredible Hulk.
Yeah, I'm the Hulk.
Okay.
Ooh, I can see crackers already.
Ah. Whoa.
Look
That
at all
is
these bags of goodies.
Oh, we're gonna taste all of these.
Maybe not all of them.
Okay. Let's go. Butter crackers.
Let me see the top. Okay, crackers.
So we'll try one of each. Okay.
Just open up, pull out everything first.
Alright, butter crackers.
Ooh. What are these?
What does it say?
In Japan.
Oh. We have chocolate cookies.
Looks
Can
like
you show the
animal-
people the cookies?
These look
We
like
will.
animal crackers.
That looks like animal crackers. That looks like chocolate filled cookies.
Triple nuts sable. I
Lollipop
guarantee you I'm
Type of
not.
cookie.
I guarantee
Lollipops. Oh, that's nice.
more alphabet cookies.
That's an alphabet cookie.
I know. I mean, animal cookies.
Jackie.
Exactly.
Wait, I think
It's not seaweed.
What's that?
we don't know. It's like pepper. It's gonna taste hot though.
How do you know? Maybe not.
Yeah, a lot of this stuff we can't tell you what it is because it's written in Japanese.
That's it?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, we're not gonna open everything, but what are like the top 3 things you want to try?
Chocolate cookies.
Chocolate cookies.
Okay.
So we're not gonna eat all of them.
Lollipop
We're gonna
mix.
show you the top 3.
Lollipop mix.
Where's the lollipop?
Okay.
We're just gonna take a look at that. Trust me.
One more.
You want Zaki?
Okay. I'll try that.
All right, and we'll try the Zaki.
Wait.
Zaki?
Zaki,
What are these?
like vanilla cookies.
Okay, put everything else away other than what you're gonna try.
It's cute.
Okay, so these are what we're gonna try?
Yeah.
Okay.
Top 3. First, I want to try the Zaki.
Zaki.
Get my water bottle open because it does not look good. It does not look good.
Why would you say that? It looks good.
Well,
Comment below if you think this looks good. I can't tell if that's chocolate or strawberry.
Oh.
they are tiny.
Oh, nice. Individually wrapped. Cool.
I'm just gonna take a bite because I guarantee you I'm not gonna like it.
You can't say that until you try it. What does Elmo say?
Oh, it smells familiar.
Really?
Familiar faces.
Please help take a scissor.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Oh, I'm fine.
I use my whole powers for the rest of it.
Smell like peanut butter, Reese's.
Let's see it.
Oh, this part looks like if you lick all the chocolate off a Kit Kat, this is what it would look like, but brighter.
That's the wafer.
The wafer.
Yeah, that's the wafer in the Kit Kat that you're talking about.
Oh man.
Isn't it actually that bad? You know, you realize we said at the same time.
Not that bad.
It's not that bad.
Okay.
It's okay. I don't like peanuts.
There's peanuts in it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah?
I promise you guys will comment down below. Go comment down below and tell us which one do you think looks better.
Chocolate cookies. We're gonna get our dad to try this.
Says who?
Don't worry, he's gonna get it.
Says who?
With me.
Alright, so
Ooh.
next is the chocolate cookies
Oh,
Wow,
I'm
they're
so thankful
individual
they're
too.
individually wrapped.
and a
Thank
red
God.
wrapper.
Oh, hold on.
The
Okay.
10 words.
It smells like a bagel.
A bagel.
Yeah, that's what it smells like to me.
Let me. What
No, it
does
smells
look
like a donut. Smell it. It smells like a
Take
donut.
a scissor, Aaron.
It smells like coffee.
Can I see
It
it?
smells like a donut. You can't really see the chocolate, so I'm getting.
Careful, Aaron.
I almost dropped a cookie.
Oh.
Yeah, it definitely. Yeah, this smells like a glazed
The
donut.
chocolate is inside.
That
To
looks
be honest with
interesting.
you, I can't really taste the chocolate. I'm
No?
just tasting the cracker.
Yeah.
The cookie is not that bad either.
Okay. So far, so good, right? For people
Okay.
who said they weren't gonna like it. Mm-hmm.
Not really good.
But not bad.
Smells good.
And now the lollipop mix. Mama, can you do one more?
What happened?
A fly flew up my nose.
Take a minute. Clear yourself. You good?
Alright. So he's
Okay.
having a meltdown over there. So I'm on camera.
Okay.
Lollipop mix. Looks like a regular lollipop, but smaller.
What type of lollipop does that remind you of?
Dude,
Tootsie Roll.
Not really. The Dum Dums.
Dum
Oh,
Dum.
Dum
But they're not
Dum.
as small.
Yeah, they're that small.
Man, these have something on it. It's keeping me from opening it, even with my
I don't
Hulk
think a
powers.
scissor's gonna help you with that, baby.
It's not gonna help me, but
Careful.
I'll just pull it off, man. You got yours open?
No,
no.
Aaron, is it helping with
Oh,
that?
hold
That's
on.
kind of tight.
It looks like mine has long hair.
Can you get it, Aaron? You need help. Need me to help you? Listen, watch
Yes,
your fingers.
Please. Yes, please.
Okay.
So we were struggling to open the lollipops, and our mother even came in, and she couldn't do it.
But she did it.
I just cut a hole in mine. They smell like regular lollipops, so
It's orange.
they taste a little bit sweeter.
Hmm.
Tastes.
Sweet. To me, it
It
tastes
tastes like.
a sweet, but if you taste the actual grape, it tastes a little bit sour.
It tastes like my dad's lollipops bank.
What?
I got the orange one.
Mm.
It tastes like it.
The lollipops at the bank. That's what he's talking about.
Oh, so Dum Dums. That's the ones you get at the bank.
No,
Yeah, it's just Dum Dums they give you at the bank.
sometimes they give you another one. Okay, I'm gonna be totally honest right now. I think the lollipops is the best so far.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good.
And if you're wondering why I said so far, it's because we have others on the floor. In the next vlog we do, we're going to be trying 3 more.
Can we try one more?
No. We'll save it for the next one, okay?
Alright guys, make sure you comment down below which one you think looks better. Yeah, so like I said, this one is my favorite.
Yep.
Okay.
So
See
far.
you guys next time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys, Uncle
and
Dwayne,
subscribe.
Auntie Tracy, Kenya and Christian for all these treats. Thank you. Make sure you like this video and subscribe. Bye. 1 subscribe is a thank you to our family. Bye.